Lindsay with Off Leash Training Fredericksburg. Here with me today I have Abby, a 1-year-old black lab, and I've got Lucy, a 1-year-old yellow lab. They are here for our 2-week board and train program. Some of the concerns the owner has is that we love to counter serve, and we're also really big pullers on the leash, and to try and brush up on some of those puppy manners. So we're going to see if they kind of know anything, and then we're going to go from there. Abby, Lucy, sit, sit. Heel, heel. Abby, Lucy, come. Good. Off. Place. Place. Good girl. Abby, Lucy, down. Down. As you can see, they need some brushing up and a little bit of training. But after the 2 weeks, you're going to see a new and improved Abby and Lucy.
of his skin. But please just give me time. Let's make it matters, no. I tried to play it nice, end up with it done sure. And yes, I screwed my ass. Think something's wrong with me. You need to understand. It's difficult to see, cause I'm blinded by your smile. It's more than fine with me, cause right now you're the only thing my fool I get to see. I'm blinded by your smile, not ready to give in. I surround her with my hands up to the sweet side of your skin. Baby, won't you stay? Ooh, I can feel the thousand ways to kill the time. Baby, won't you stay? Ooh, why? I know a million ways to underclimb. So I'm blinded by your smile, and it's more than fair with me. Cause right now you're the only thing that my boo I gotta say. Cause I'm blinded by your smile, I'm blinded by your smile. It's more fine with me, cause I know the only thing that might put her cat to see. Cause I'm blinded by your smile, not ready to give in. I surround her with my hands up. sun shining the night away. We burn the past and the fire, I know it will be okay. We gonna light like a sun, moving as one, shining the night away. We stand in the silence and worries just fade away. And this fire that burns inside